Alright, let's talk about the Lumiverse Projector, the one you've probably seen popping up in ads everywhere, promising 4K magic at a price that seems too good to be true. I grabbed one for a hands-on test, and here's what I found. First off, the Lumiverse name? It's not some hot new brand, it's just one of dozens of generic mini projectors, all made in the same overseas factories and slapped with different labels. Now, about those wild specs, 4K supported? Sure, you can play a 4K video through it, but the native resolution is usually much lower. Think 720p, maybe 1080p on a good day. Supported just means it'll accept the signal, then downscale it. So, don't expect razor-sharp images. Let's talk lenses. If you're hoping for crystal clarity, sorry. These projectors use plastic lenses, not glass. So, the center might look okay, but the edges? Always a little blurry. It's just the reality of cheap builds. Brightness claims? Yeah, don't believe those numbers. The picture looks passable in a dark room, but in daylight, the image washes out fast. Advertised lumens are almost always inflated. The built-in speaker is, honestly, pretty bad. Thin, tinny, and easily drowned out by the loud fan, which never seems to quit. If you care about sound, plug in your own speaker with the 3.5mm jack or Bluetooth. On the bright side, you get HDMI, USB, and sometimes even a basic Android system for Netflix or YouTube. That's convenient for the price, especially for casual movie nights or entertaining kids. Bottom line, the Lumiverse projector isn't a total scam. It does work, but it's a basic ultra-budget projector that overpromises and underdelivers. If you want real home theater quality, save up for trusted brands. Otherwise, know what you're getting into. Don't fall for the hype. Do your homework and shop smart.